Most garden railroads are built around a series of independent but connected loops where multiple trains can run unattended. But full-scale railroads across our countryside don't usually go in circles. Instead, trains go to specific destinations to pick up and deliver goods and passengers. We built many of our layouts to capture the sense of purpose of a typical railroad. We run trains on our model layouts to emulate the action of a real railroad. Freight cars carry cargo to warehouses and industries along the railroad. Passengers board at the train depots and ride in passenger cars. When running freight trains, operators use waybills to identify either loaded or empty freight cars to pick up, along with destinations for each car. We employ a dispatcher who issues written or verbal train orders to grant right-of-way to trains and organize their safe movements around the layout. We follow orders, just like full-scale railroad operations around the country. Two-person crews will run our battery-powered trains, and you will follow along with your assigned train as you pick up and deliver freight and passengers to their destinations. If you would like to participate in one of these sessions, you can sign up to be an operator at one of 4 layouts during the 2019 National Garden Railway Convention in Portland, Oregon. No previous experience is necessary. Our experienced staff will be on hand to help you and to answer questions. So bring a friend or pair up with a new friend at one of the Op Sessions layouts for a rare experience of an exciting phase of garden railroading. No pressure. The Op Sessions are fun.